Social media, the new gold rush? Let's face it, everyone's heard the stories. People making a living just by posting videos online. Teenagers becoming millionaires by dancing on their phones. It sounds crazy, right? But is it too good to be true? The truth is, social media has become a legitimate avenue for generating income. It's not just about luck. It's about hustle, strategy, and understanding the game. The internet has leveled the playing field. No longer are you confined to traditional jobs and limited opportunities. Now, anyone with a smartphone and an internet connection can potentially reach millions. But how do you turn those views, likes, and followers into cold, hard cash? That's what we're going to explore. This isn't about get-rich-quick schemes. This is about putting in the work, building a brand, and connecting with your audience in a meaningful way. It's about passion, creativity, and a whole lot of hustle. So, are you ready to dive in and discover the earning potential that awaits you in the world of social media? Let's go. Platforms, profits, and possibilities: decoding the revenue models. Each social media platform comes with its own unique set of rules, algorithms, and most importantly, revenue models. Understanding these models is crucial to unlocking your earning potential. YouTube, the king of video content, offers multiple ways to monetize your channel. The most common is through advertising revenue. As your videos gain views, ads play before, during, or after your content. You get a cut of the ad revenue based on factors like viewership and engagement. Instagram, the visual storytelling platform, thrives on influencer marketing. Build a large, engaged following, and brands will pay you to promote their products or services. You can also earn through sponsored posts, affiliate marketing, and even selling your own products or services directly to your followers. TikTok, the short-form video sensation, relies heavily on brand deals and sponsorships. Creators with a significant following can partner with brands to create engaging content that promotes their products or services. TikTok also offers a creator fund, rewarding popular creators with a share of revenue based on their video performance. Facebook, the social networking giant, provides opportunities for businesses and creators alike. Businesses can run targeted ads to reach their desired audience, while creators can monetize their content through fan subscriptions, paid groups, and selling products or services through their Facebook shop. YouTube, from views to riches, understanding the algorithm. YouTube is often the first platform that comes to mind when people think about making money online, and for good reason. It's a platform where creators can build massive audiences and generate significant income. But how exactly does it work? The key to unlocking YouTube's earning potential lies in understanding its algorithm. This complex system determines which videos get seen by whom and how often. Several factors influence your video's visibility, including your niche, audience location, and engagement metrics. Your niche plays a crucial role in determining your earning potential on YouTube. Some niches, like finance, marketing, and technology, tend to attract higher-paying advertisers, leading to potentially higher ad revenue for creators in those spaces. Audience location is another important factor. Advertisers often target specific geographic locations, so a channel with a predominantly US-based audience might generate more revenue than a channel with a globally dispersed audience, even if their view counts are similar. Engagement is king on YouTube. The algorithm prioritizes videos with high engagement metrics, such as likes, comments, shares, and watch time. The more engaged your audience, the more likely your videos are to be recommended to others, leading to increased views and ultimately higher earnings. Section 4. Beyond the ads. Diversifying your income streams. While advertising revenue is a significant income source for many YouTubers, it's not the only game in town. Diversifying your income streams is essential for building a sustainable business and maximizing your earning potential. Sponsorships offer an excellent way to monetize your influence. As your channel grows and you build a loyal following, brands may approach you to partner on sponsored content. This could involve reviewing their products, integrating their brand into your videos, or creating dedicated sponsored segments. Affiliate marketing is another lucrative avenue. By partnering with brands and promoting their products or services through unique affiliate links, you earn a commission on every sale made through your referral. This is a great way to monetize your content without directly selling anything yourself. Merchandise sales can be a goldmine for creators with a dedicated fan base. From t-shirts and hoodies to mugs and phone cases, the possibilities are endless. By creating and selling merchandise that resonates with your audience, you can turn your passion into profit while giving your fans a tangible way to support your work. Section 5, consistency is king. Building a loyal following for sustainable earnings. You can't build a skyscraper overnight. The same principle applies to building a successful online business. It takes time, effort, and most importantly, consistency. Consistency is crucial for building a loyal following and maximizing your earning potential. Regularly uploading high-quality content keeps your audience engaged and coming back for more. It also signals to the algorithm that you're an active creator, increasing your chances of getting featured in recommendations and search results. Engagement is another vital aspect of building a thriving online community. Respond to comments, answer questions, and interact with your followers. Show them that you're not just a faceless entity behind a screen, but a real person who values their support. Building a strong brand identity is essential for standing out in a crowded online space. Develop a unique voice, style, and aesthetic that resonates with your target audience. This will help you attract the right followers and create a cohesive brand experience that translates into loyal fans and ultimately higher earnings. Section 6, crushing it online, real-world success stories. Let's face it, we all love a good success story. They inspire us, motivate us, and show us what's possible with hard work, dedication, and a little bit of luck. So let's dive into some real-world examples of creators who are absolutely crushing it online. First up, we have Mr. Beast, the king of YouTube stunts and challenges. With over 180 million subscribers and billions of views, Mr. Beast has turned his outrageous ideas into a multi-million-dollar empire. From giving away thousands of dollars to strangers to recreating real-life Squid Game challenges, Mr. Beast understands the power of entertainment and how to keep his audience coming back for more. Next, we have Charli D'Amelio, the queen of TikTok. With over 150 million followers, Charli has leveraged her dance moves and infectious personality to secure lucrative brand deals and sponsorships. She's also launched her own clothing line, fragrance, and even a Hulu reality show, proving that TikTok fame can translate into real-world success. And let's not forget about David Dobrik, the master of vlogs and pranks. With over 18 million subscribers on YouTube, David has built a loyal following by documenting his hilarious antics with his group of friends. He's also launched his own podcast, mobile game, and even a pizza company, demonstrating the power of diversifying your income streams and building a brand beyond a single platform. Section 7, taking the leap, your journey to social media success. So you've heard the stories, you've seen the numbers, and you're ready to take the leap into the world of social media. But where do you start? What are the key takeaways from all of this? First and foremost, find your passion. What are you genuinely interested in? What gets you excited to create? Your passion will shine through in your content and resonate with your audience. Next, choose your platform wisely. Each platform has its own unique audience, culture, and monetization methods. Research and experiment to find the platform that best aligns with your content style and target audience. Consistency is key. Create a content calendar and stick to a regular posting schedule. This will keep your audience engaged and signal to the algorithm that you're an active creator. Engage with your followers, respond to comments, answer questions, and foster a sense of community. People are more likely to support creators they feel connected to. Don't be afraid to experiment. Try different content formats, explore new trends, and see what resonates with your audience. The beauty of social media is that it's constantly evolving, providing endless opportunities for creativity and innovation, and most importantly, have fun. Creating content should be enjoyable. If you're not passionate about what you're doing, it will show in your work. The world of social media is vast and ever-changing, but with hard work, dedication, and a little bit of luck, anyone can achieve success. So what are you waiting for? Get out there, start creating, and who knows, maybe you'll be the next big social media sensation.